Assalamualaikum and hi. For this week, we were given task to present a certain topic. For the group 7, we already chose topic single acting cylinder and directional control valve. In group 7, we have 4 group members. The first one is Muhammad SYAZANI bin ZAINI. The second one is Haizzudin bin Hanifa. The third one is Muhammad HAIKAL bin AMRAN. And lastly, myself, Muhammad EDHAM ADHA bin OSMAN. In this topic, we have 3 subtopics. The first one is electric and pneumatic circuit. The second one is control using 3 two-way DCV normally open. And the third one is control using 3 two-way DCV normally closed. Without further ado, we go into subtopic control using 3 two-way DCV normally open.
Next, we will go through the simulation of control using 3 two-way DCV which is normally open. So first of all, let's do the electrical connection. The first component that we use will be a 24 volt power supply. Next, we add the 0 volt. Then we will be adding the valve solenoid. And finally would be the push button. After that, we will connect all the components together. And there we have our electrical connection circuit. Next, we will be doing the pneumatic circuit. So first of all, we will be putting a 3 two-way DCB, and then we will be adding a compressed air supply. Next, we will be adding a single acting cylinder. Then we will set the 3 two-way DCB to be normally open one. Then we connect the 3 components, and there we have completed our pneumatic circuit and electrical connection circuit. We will be labeling the 3 two-way DCB and the valve solenoid as Y1. When we connect the circuit, we can see that the piston on the cylinder will be extracted. That shows that our circuit is normally open. When we push the push button, the spring will retract back into the cylinder. This is because when we push the push button, the spring pushes back because air is exhausted from 2 to 3. And there we have completed our normally open 3 two-way DCB.
In the last week, we already show how to build the electrical and pneumatic circuit, but this time we will show you how to build in simulation. We were using Fluid Sim software, which is for simulating pneumatic, hydraulic and electrical circuit. First of all, we need to select all the part we want to use. For example, we create a simple circuit to make single acting cylinder expand and retract. In electrical circuit, it must have 24 volt, push button, solenoid valve and 0 volts. Connect all components with wire. Then, in pneumatic circuit, it must have 3 two-way solenoid valve, single 18 cylinder. After choose the 3 two-way valve, click the valve to setting what kind of valve we want to use, like 3 two-way solenoid valve with push button, or with limit switch, or for normally open, or for normally close, and anything else. In this case, we choose normally close. Connect all components with wire. So it is done, but not completely done yet. We have electrical circuit and pneumatic circuit, but how do we want to connect both circuit? The answer is we labeling the 3 two-way solenoid valve as Y1, and in electrical circuit we labeling valve solenoid as Y1. Now it is done already. The simulations begins. At start, the cylinder retract because of 3 two-way solenoid valve is normally closed. So if we press the push button, the cylinder will expand.